There are a few Siri settings on your iPhone you should change right now, maybe on iPad as well. These settings can improve your privacy, reduce annoying activations, and make your iPhone feel way smarter. Let me show you. First, open Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Scroll down and tap Siri. Now look for Talk to Siri, which is one of the first options. If you don't want Siri randomly activating when someone says something similar to like Siri, it is better to turn this off. Instead, enable press side button for Siri. Now this way, Siri only activates when you want it to. Much better for privacy and way less annoying. Now next, find allow Siri when locked. If this is on, someone can use Siri when while your iPhone is locked. That means they might access certain information or interact with your phone without unlocking it. If you care about security, turn this off. Now scroll down and tap Siri and dictation history, then tap delete Siri and dictation history. Why should you do this? Because Siri stores some of your voice interactions and dictation requests to improve the service. Deleting the history helps improve privacy and removes stored voice requests, data linked to your device. Now, let's talk about Siri suggestions. You'll see options like suggest apps before searching, allow notifications, show in app library when sharing, and listening suggestions. If you want more privacy and fewer distractions, here is what I recommend. Turn off allow notifications if you don't want Siri constantly suggesting things or sending recommendation alerts. And turn off show when sharing if you don't want Siri analyzing who you usually share content with. And turn off show listening suggestions if you don't want Siri recommending media or audio content based on your habits. The other options like suggest apps before searching and show in app library are actually useful for faster navigation and app discovery, so you can leave those on. These small changes can seriously improve your iPhone experience. And like the video and follow for more iPhone tips, tricks, and hidden settings.